guys, I bought this little vacuum for my Airbnb, and it works great. It picks up dirt really well. I've noticed that more inexpensive vacuums don't have the retractable cords, so you do have that situation. Then of course you push this to make it recline, and then this is the button, the power button. This little guy does pull out, so you can attach either this or this to it to suck things up. And then it actually, you can actually extend, because this is kind of short, you can actually extend that by releasing this and putting this on it to make it go even. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This attaches right here, and then it locks in. That's unlocked, and then that's locked. And then you've got this one that makes it longer. And then you can put this or that on it. Of course, I like how these attachments fit on there. So that makes it easier. And then I'm just gonna show you guys how it's a bagless system, which is nice because you don't have to buy new bags. But yeah, you release the canister with this. And then to get it open, you just pop that release, and then you can take this out and dump it. And when you put this back in, you just have to make sure that this red piece right here goes down in the indentation. And then this filter can be washed and cleaned. Obviously I need to do that, but that goes in there and can be replaced. And then you just pop that back, and then it easily sits back in its spot. So I hope that is helpful. Just so you know, there is no different settings for hardwood floors and regular carpet, and it doesn't go on its own, so you just push it. It's not automatic or anything, but it has good suction, and it is extremely light, which is very nice when you're cleaning. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot that to release it, you do have to kind of unlock it and pull it out. And then this goes back in here, and this snaps back there. And you're good to go. So I've been very pleased with its suction capabilities. It vacuums very well. I have put it through good use.